3 days back, one of my most successful student decided and waved official goodbye to creating audio and video content for social media. And guess what happened? All the rest of the students who were also a close friend and following her on various social media started asking me questions. The calls did not stop. Constantly they were asking me the question like, why is she doing this? What is the problem? Why is she stopping audio and video? This is something that, which is absolutely in trend and you should follow that. Sir, please explain her, make her understand. So from the calls which are coming, which are absolutely negative, slowly and steadily after some time, I also started receiving calls. Sir, she's trying to find another strategy. Do you really think this is going to work? Do you really think this is going to actually help her grow much better? And to both of them, the answer was the same, which I'm going to share with you. And the answer is, it's your business. It's your way of communicating with your target audience. If your target audience is understanding the language of communication through text, follow that. If they're understanding through audio, follow that. If they're understanding through video, follow that. It is not necessary to follow the trend which is followed by everyone else. You need to understand your target audience and accordingly shape it.